Another day, another crypto project. But Realtok isn't just another token. It's built on something real. With strong tokenomics, community rewards, and real estate backing. It's time to invest in something built to last.